Samsung Phone is one of the widely used smartphones across different parts of the world. It's therefore common to hear that one person has multiple Samsung devices, especially communication gadgets. This creates a need to know how to transfer data from Samsung to Samsung. Number 1. How to transfer data from Samsung to Samsung with one click. The best method to complete the Samsung transfer is using Mobikon Transfer for mobile. This is an all-in-one file transfer tool designed for phone-to-phone transfer. With it, you can transfer different kinds of files between two Samsung. Guide on how to transfer files from Samsung to Samsung with one simple click. Download, install, and launch the tool. Connect devices via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow prompts to recognize devices. Check device positions. Click Flip if needed. Select file types. Click Start Copy to transfer. Number 2. How to transfer from Samsung to Samsung by SmartSwitch. Install SmartSwitch app on both devices. Open app with devices nearby. Click Connect on one device. Choose Files. Click Transfer. Accept on other device. Transfer starts. Number 3. How to copy files from Samsung to Samsung using ShareIt. Download ShareIt on both phones. Follow prompts to install. Launch app. Send on data source. Receive on target. Select data on sender, then click Send. Number 4. How do I transfer data from Samsung to Samsung via NFC? Enable NFC in Settings, Connections, NFC, and Payment on both Samsung phones. Select Files. Place devices facing opposite sides. Tap Touch to beam. Separate when prompted. Wait for successful transfer. Number 5. How do I transfer data from Samsung to Samsung via Bluetooth? Enable Bluetooth on both Samsung devices. Select Data on source. Tap Share Bluetooth. Choose nearby device from list. Accept prompt on destination. Transfer begins.